2016 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using these buttons right here, the up and down, and then this little page button. This one here, and then this up and down button right here. These two buttons. So up in the dash, there's a little wrench. We're going to push the page button until it goes over to the wrench. Okay, and now it might say service required right away, but if not, use the OK button to go up and down. Get right here to the service required, and then on the bottom it says hold OK to reset. So I'm going to push and hold OK, and then boom, that's it. Easy peasy. Quick side note, if you push the page button and go to the gear, you can go down to service interval, push OK, and then you could kind of change your interval right here about like your miles and stuff like that. But if it's at 3,500, then you could just leave it be. You don't need to mess with the interval stuff though if you're just resetting the maintenance light. Alright everyone, that's all I got for you. I know this is just a boring maintenance reset light video, but if you could help me out and give me a sub, I'm trying to reach 100k subs on this channel, and if you do, I'll hook you up with a promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. Use gearmoauto at checkout on their website, and you can get 15% off. They got like the best headlights. You should check them out if you want some better headlights for your cars.